Alright, Ian.
Defense trying to do that, that's good. Get back now. Get back on defense, Jack.
Hey, Black, no more fast break. No fast break, Black. Easy, have more ball.
Take that, guys, take that. Come on, come on.
Don't get lazy, Black.
Hey, Jack.
Easy, easy. Horns.
Got another play.
Good job, brother. Five, down, five. Don't reach. Same. Face.
Get back,
Set it up, one over the other.
Come out. Switch, gotta communicate. You'll get going.
Don't reach. Hands off.
No, look where you pass it. Don't pass the ball. Got it, circle.
Don't get caught.
Balance. That it. Give it to him.
Easy.
Jack, step up. Come on, get momentum. Step up. Get up court.
That's why you missed. No reason for that. Kai, you gotta shoot that. Pull it back. Call one.
Help him. See the man in the ball. Yeah, help deep.
Look, please reset. Score off the play. Move the ball. Move. I love it. Be the first move. Reset. Run one. Go in.
Yo, listen. Horn. Yo, listen.
Stop putting that ball in front of you. Oh yeah. No flat. Circle, horn, one or the other.
See your man in the ball. Get there, Jack.
Run, get to the second half of the circle. Get to the second half, keep playing. Back. Five.
Set it, guys, set it. Jump.
Half-court ball.
No, meet him at the red line. Meet him at the red line right there.
Circle, horn, one or the other. Understand what you want, Jay. Set up.
Stay in help. Stay yourself. Jump. Hands.
Pick up, Jay. Keep the hands to the ball.
Stand straight up, Noah. Move, Noah, cut! You don't want to back it? You don't want to back it?
High, knock off in front of the second ball. There you go. Keep that ball between you and the defender. You're all right. Shot ready.
Come on.
Time out, folks. I ain't still ain't hurt, guy. I know. I get this. It's going to go. I still haven't hurt. Let's go.
Guys!
Don't reach. Yep.
One.
Yep. So Jay, I know he got away with the push off, but you can't go right back with the body. Way to hold it on, Noah.
Stop right here, King! Guys, one motion. Three ways, up! come running. Get away. How about?
Down, kids, sit down. It's too hard. Yep. Every time. No. Kid. Thank you, Jack. Get your butt down and slide your feet. Move more, don't shoot. Move more, don't shoot. Move it. Move it. Don't get fouled. Don't get fouled. Move it. Move it.
Is this a ball that you guys have?
Stop crossing the tongue.
I appreciate you too. You could have went hand.
No. Try.
You know better.